What mischance is this then, this world that righteousness finds neither ford nor bridge, but measurelessness goes everywhere with unfurled and brazen brow, and stirs up bitter grudge, and kills and destroys, and falsehood many a time is born as thick in crime, that truth nor mercy sign, nor peace nor knowing's light can find no shelter quiet, and power takes the tide there where right has no right. Find a Lord to prove no patience, a house nor a factory's roof, but disbelief shall sit in honor seat aloof, and singing shall be mute, and fair solace destroyed, and giving brought to ruin, but feigning soft and smooth shall reign in falsehood too, and pride hidden in suit among the most learned and crew. Wrong and malice and pride just the same, and covetousness with all its covenants claim, and greediness have made an accord and name, how frankness they may cast out from the folk's own frame, and let charity die, and that good friendships tie, and peace and piety in no place may remain, in valley nor mountains chain. For the fire is quenched quite dry, that wickedness saith there to reign. Well may one mourn when a wicked man grows rich and great, for he foully earns that from his neighbor's estate. To some he stirs trouble and burns, and the others he murders in hate. Worse company he keeps than Sir Isaac grin at the gate, for such is his accord and plan, until he has killed the clan of the richest and the strongest man. There shall be no concord, is the vengeance he brings forward for those wrongs he took then, that bring him to evil harbors can. What happiness can a man in this world find and keep, who sees boastfulness come to ill will and sweep onward to press the folk down in a heap, and makes a show and dress of reason to uphold its sleep? A branch of treason's kind is he who with feigned reasons plea murders his own company, and the wicked man little he thinks of it. Reason is brought low a bit when a certain